In the previous class, we discussed the topic God the giver of family. Family is a group of people related by blood. Adam was the first man ever created, Eve was the first woman God created. God blessed them with a lot of things. Cain and Abel were their children. They are the first family: Adam, Eve, Cain, and Abel. Today we will be explaining the topic things created by human beings. Things created by human beings are called artificial. God gave human being the wisdom to create. List of things created by human beings. Cars. Human beings created the car for transportation. Airplane. Ships. Phone. Iron. Television. Chair. Table. Computers. House, and so many more. God gave we human beings the ability to create things by ourselves.